So today I'm going to help you learn how to calibrate your Ghost, because it's an issue I just had, and there's two things I had going on there. So one, when I hit my anchor button, so I'd hit the anchor mode right here, that guy, it would just start driving off. So if you're having that issue, this will fix it. There's one other issue. It's the new boat here, and I somehow, when I did my install, my Lowrance puck here for my Ghost, gotta tighten that all the way down, but I had it all backwards. So the arrow was actually pointing to the back of the boat, not to the front, which will cause significant issues too. So kind of working through some things there. I want to show you how I fix this. It's super easy, and stay tuned. All right, so the first step in fixing this is going to be putting our Ghost trolling motor pedal into configuration mode. So just make sure you're on. You're gonna hold buttons 2 and 3. You'll hold it there and you'll hear a beep. So now you got that beep right there. You can see your lights are blinking, and you're now gonna hit button 3. Hear those beeps again, and then you will see when you come up to your head there, you see it's blinking. That's because you are now in configuration mode. So what you're gonna do now is we're gonna make a circle. So right here, get that thing where it's not dead straight, but you don't want to be turned hard. But you can see what we're gonna do is make a nice circle like that. I did it twice there, and we're gonna do it a third time right now. So let's then just hold that power button, and as you do that, you're just gonna slowly move along. I have it set on 4. That's just kind of nice easy speed, but you can see we're just gonna kind of slowly make that long turn. And what is going to end up happening is it'll recalibrate itself and it'll start beeping on its own. And when you do that, we'll be ready to have your anchor mode all fixed, because this was something I was dealing with the last 2 times I came out, and to be honest, I forgot about it. So now get ready to start the tournament here on Lake Eufaula for the Bass Open. So I'm on a different, down over at West Point right now, just kind of bouncing around. But you can see just slowly making that circle. It'll take you, whatever, maybe a minute, maybe 2, something like that. And we're just gonna make that circle and we'll be ready to go. So I will show you as soon as we get to that point what that sound is like. If you want to fast forward through this stretch, not gonna hurt my feelings. I would have probably done the same thing. But once you get this working, then you'll have everything calibrated, working right, and you'll be in good shape. So we've got a little bit more to go here. You can see we're getting around there, make that nice perfect circle. And it won't be too much longer. But this is definitely something you want to do, because it's it'll make your spot lock or your anchor mode that much more accurate. So there you go. There's those beeps that we're waiting for. You can see we're still in that calibration mode, so we're gonna hold 2 and 3 like that. And now we're out of calibration mode, and I'll show you now that it's working. You'll hit your troll motor. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna troll up real quick, and then I will hit the anchor mode, and you'll see how it pushes it back to where we were before. So we're going, so you're trolling, we're moving, we can see we're drifting. We're not going crazy fast. Hit that anchor mode. You can see that head spins right around. And it is now pushing water, powered up. It's gonna get us back into where we need to be. So just like that, you can fix your anchor mode. Pretty easy steps, nothing too crazy. You can see now we're getting kind of back to that area again. It's settling back down, and we are good to go. But that's how you fix it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Happy to help. I have other Lowrance videos out there on how to calibrate your 0.1 antenna if you're going down the lake and your arrow's pointing to the side instead of straight. All sorts of stuff that'll help you, hopefully. So talk to you soon. See you later. Bye.